Customers who purchased the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra were once again let down when they learned that the top powerhouse still had the same 5000 mAh battery. This constant capability has been present in every Galaxy S Ultra generation for years, and many fans are starting to grow weary of this monotonous cycle. However, there is at last hope. Samsung is apparently considering taking a risk by removing the S Pen silo in order to overcome this battery standstill. The business could recover important internal space by doing this. Last month, a prominent leaker sparked excitement by speculating that the Galaxy S26 Ultra might have a variable aperture main camera, which could do away with the need for a second telephoto lens. This space could finally be used to supercharge the Ultra with a bigger, more powerful battery. Along with the relocation of the S Pen and the use of state-of-the-art silicon-carbon battery technology, this design modification alone may open the door for a stacked 5500 mAh battery. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may have a massive 7000 mAh battery. Imagine an Ultra that lives up to its name, even competing with the 8000 mAh behemoth that are rumored to be on the horizon from Chinese rivals. You may now ask where the cherished S Pen will go if Samsung does away with the built-in silo. The iPad Pro is a clever way to replicate Apple's magnetic charm. Imagine the S Pen charging while it adheres firmly to the side of the Galaxy S26 by snapping magnetically to its flat edge. It maintains the stylus's accessibility without compromising interior space and is both futuristic and useful. The Galaxy S26 Ultra won't be adopting an under-display camera just yet, according to the same trustworthy source, Panda Flash Pro. Instead, it will still have a punch hole up front, but its bezels will get slimmer, giving it a sleeker, more elegant appearance than the S25 Ultra. All indications suggest that the Galaxy S26 series will be unveiled in January 2026, with a launch anticipated later that same month. While the ordinary S26 versions, with the exception of the US, will boast the Exynos 2600, the Ultra will be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 and a Galaxy-optimized application processor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may eventually shatter the battery ceiling, lose some weight in the silo, and become a real game-changer in Samsung's flagship heritage at China and Canada, where Snapdragon will power the complete lineup in the near future. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.